All right, today we got ourselves another walkthrough with a 2015 Coachmen Prism. This is a 2150 LE model, single slide. I know it's a 21, but it's actually about 25 feet overall, 24 and some change. Now this guy's actually pretty nice. It's on the Sprinter chassis, the 3500 Mercedes Sprinter chassis with that V6 diesel in it. And like I said, a single slide. It's not full body paint, but it's got the beige base coat with decals on it. And for a 15, the decals actually look really good. You see pretty much a full body awning from right at the cap all the way down to the end of the coach. It is electric. Just push of a button, sheet comes out. You got an outdoor entertainment system with the built-in TV, speaker system, and all the controls for it. The back of the fridge there, you can see propane tank there, 20.3 gallons, a little dusty. We just took this in yesterday, so I got to clean her up still. But I wanted to get this video out as soon as possible. Nice little compartment space. Put down some fake turf in there, looks like, a little carpeting. Tires are 16-inch tires. Check out this. This is a corner bed floor plan, so you just get this insanely massive rear compartment. There's a little bit of vinyl in there too, and your bed's just right above. Access point for some technicians right there. Look at that. And then these all have little drains in them too. So hell, if you're doing a cookout or a party, fill those with ice, put some drinks in there, you're gonna be having a good old time. All right, moving on to the back. You do have a ladder all the way up to the top. You can get to your your vents, skylight, AC unit, whatever you got to do. Low point drain right behind there. LEDs throughout. 3,500 pound hitch, 500 tongue weight with a 7-pin connector. Step back, show you this. Outdoor shower here, power cable, TV connection, sewer drain. Oh, that's actually, one of these is power, one's not. Let's look and find out. So many dang keys. There's power, okay. And then behind here is, oh, water fill connections, okay. And a tank flush. Cool. So like I said, gear driven slide, single slide. It's about, what, 18 inches deep with the slide topper up there. Got your gen set right here. 3600 LP. So it is a propane gen, not too many hours on it, fires up without an issue. And then your last final compartment here. And it's not, it almost looks like a pass-through, but it's not. It just has a little top area. You can, store some longer, skinnier stuff. This coach, I mean, for being 5 years old already, it actually came in pretty clean. I mean, minus the storm we just had last night, which kind of dirtied her up a little bit. Let's jump inside, see what she's got to offer. You do have a screen door, of course. Pretty normal. Oh, and then I totally forgot to say, but you got a solar connection right here. Plug in an external solar panel. Couple batteries. And then right to the left, you got your battery disconnect, on and controls, and then light switches. Hours on the gen, let's see. All right, prime. Are you gonna make me sit here forever and stare? Let's just start her up. Anyways, you also got water pumps, slide out control, power control. I was gonna say 129.7 on the old gen set. And as you can hear, she started up without a problem. A quick little look overall. So we'll be able to go over everything, but let's start up front. Alright. So it's going to look very similar to a standard Sprinter unit. Nothing too crazy up front. 11,570 miles. Light controls, a lot of buttons that don't do anything. Then you got a backup camera, of course. This guy does come installed with side cameras also. too bad. Manual seats throughout, so you got, you know, pull forward and back. You got lumbar support. You can see the lumbar go in and out there. They do turn around. It is kind of a pain because you got the big step up, but they will turn. So pretty basic up front, but, you know, still in good condition. I mean, needs a cleaning, but all your seats are, all the upholstery is fine. Nothing too big of a concern. You got a little storage above those sun visors. And then up above, this is actually for the dinette for the table. You got a bed up here. Let me see if I can flip this around one hand. I'll kill someone. Put you guys on hold, sorry. There we go. All right, don't look at my hand anymore. Got your bed up here. I guess comparable to a queen. It's tough to say. And you have the TV. Comes out on a mount and does turn. So that's very nice. Up above there, you got, up above the door, you got a DVD player. Small little storage unit. Local TV connection on the roof. Or on the ceiling, I should say, not the roof. LEDs throughout, fully ducted AC unit. Little leaf, ladder to get up there, connection. This needs to be flipped the other way to show the other ladder hole. But anyways, here's your slide from that crown molding piece all the way down to that one right there. Now, as the U-shaped dinette will turn into a bed and sleep 2 people. Probably not 2 6'5" adults, but will sleep youngins pretty dang easy. Now, let me show you the rest of the slide here. This left part is considered your wardrobe. The right side is going to be your main pantry. So it is, I mean, it's a small RV, so you're not going to get everything you get in a big old 40-footer. But you still got actually some decent storage, especially that outside storage. My gosh. And you got seatbelts throughout this dinette. I think there's 4 of them, 4 or 5 of them. And you got child seat hookup right there. This coach does come with the night, or I guess the daytime, and then the nighttime blackout shades. They are all those slow rise, nice, fancy looking shades, not those day and night shades like they used to have. And one pass-through storage up there. So that's pretty much the dinette and the slide. Now let's go look at the kitchen. Now you can see the one big old sink in here. You got the leaf set up. It's got this cool little power station right here that pops up with some USBs and some power. Still some stuff left over from the previous owner, but nice little storage under. It does have a drawer under the oven, and yes, it does come with an oven. Not much, good couple trays of cookies. Small bird for Thanksgiving. 3-burner stovetop. And then above, nice storage up there above the sink. To the right of that, the Furrion microwave. Not the biggest thing, but for the size of the RV, not too bad. And there is actually, this is a cool feature. This right here, it's a area to store the cover for the sink, so you can get a little bit more counter space. Now here is a printout on this RV. You're welcome to pause it. There's highlighted are all the main specs, but there's a whole lot of stuff on the right side here. And of course our price, $49,995. Now next up, under the sink here, pots and pan drawer, or a whole lot of socks, you decide. Bottom fridge, I gotta replace some shelves. It looks a little weird, it's missing some stuff, but don't worry, it'll all be replaced. Now this is a Dometic, propane, electric, whatever you want to say. It will work off of 3 different ways for power. Storage above. It is LEDs throughout. You got your box, carbon monoxide detector, and then the bathroom. Let me shut this so you get an idea. It is an outside vanity and medicine cabinet. Turn some dang lights on, my gosh. Here's your medicine cabinet. So not too bad. Little shelf right below it. And then some room under the sink. I mean, you obviously got a little bit of plumbing pipes in the way, but not bad. And then to the left of that, nice little small cubby holes for, I don't know, a whole lot of deodorant, Q-tips, whatever. Now in the bathroom, floor is a little dirty. You'll see that in the shower, but so not bad. I mean, it's tight. I'll say it. Plastic toilet, a little bit of storage in here. Wow. You know what? I can't guarantee we're including the toilet paper, but you know what? If that's what I got to do to make a deal happen, I'll buy you a couple more rolls too. All right, so Michelle, let me step back a little bit so you can kind of get an idea. And I'll jump in there too. I mean, I'm 5'9". I'm not very tall. 5'9". So you got a good amount of extra space. Probably 6'2", 6'3" can fit in here. But it is, I mean, it's a 2x3 shower. It's not very wide. If you're a bigger guy and you like moving around and cleaning your kneecaps, it might be kind of tough in here. I love their their comforter here. It's just so thin. It's so pointless. But let's get that out of here. Now this is, I mean, I guess technically close to a queen, probably like a queen short, but it's a specialty bed with this rounded corner here. I had another floor plan like this, and the customer actually bought a regular bed and then just sawed off all the foam. It's so crazy. But anyways, you got the artwork in here. You know what? If you want me to, I'll keep it in here too. Connections for a TV if you want to put one in the bedroom. And then you got your kind of above. Let's get some more ambient light in here. It's a cover for the vent right here. Keep some of the insulation in. And here's kind of your pass-through storage. All these connected, except for the back two, which are separate too. Mine's a little bit deeper, it looks like. So a decent amount of storage, but having this corner bed is the main reason you have that absolutely massive storage under. Put that back in there and make it nice and dark. You can see power back there. It's probably like some water lines or something for a technician. Thermostat right in the bedroom. And then got your light. It's nothing too crazy, quick walkthrough, but I want to give you a good look at this. It's, you know, a $50,000 2015 Prism by Coachmen with the Mercedes chassis on a diesel platform. So, thank you for viewing. I hope everyone that watches this has a great day.